Are you recording in a noisy background? Then in this video I will show how to remove the background noise of your audio with this amazing AI website called runwayml. So let's dive into it. In my previous video I had shown you that how to remove silences in a video by using this website. If you haven't seen that video, then I attached that video in above cards. So check it out now. We will see how to remove noise in a audio. At first, go to your browser and search runwayml.com. This website link is also attached in the description. Now click Get Started. You have to sign up to use. I am already signed up. This website also have various other features like image to image generator, text to image generator, blur faces, etc. But some of the features are paid to use and some other are free to use. By the way, the good news is removing background noise in audio is free to use. Now scroll down a little bit. You see clean audio. Click that. Now drag and drop either video or audio from the file manager like this. For example, I take my own sample audio. At first we see how the audio is without removing background noise, and after we see how the audio is after removing background noise. Hi guys, this is the sample background noise video. You see that a lot of background noise in there. Now click clean audio and wait for some time. After that, check the audio. Hi guys, this is the sample background noise video. You see the audio is accurate and clear, and mainly it doesn't have a single background noise. Now click Save to Assets. To download the audio, go to Asset column and download the audio like this. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech videos. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Telegram for more updates. See you soon. Goodbye.